I really... Oh, yes. Yes. Dude, I hope these are traction. I haven't seen a impulse traction yet. Alright, let's hope. I've never seen a traction impulse. Are these traction? They are traction, yes.
Glitchy indicator.
It's a funny floor passing jam. Hit the generator.
Yeah, I do.
Little one. Tape the phone door shut. My first traction impulse.
I believe these are my second.
Take a picture of that vertigo. He'll like this.
Vertigo always likes impulse. I'm gonna swap it too.
Yeah. Try to get that one. I want to try to get the one that's in the basement. Oh.
Sorry.
Where you going?
4?
Okay. Oh.
Where are you going to?
We're just going to one. We'll go up first.
Oh,
It's gonna go up first.
that sucks. Did
fine.
you guys press down when you...
Yeah, it's fine. This one just came. Doesn't light up.
Yeah, I don't think all the lights work.
That's fine. I'm sure it'll get me there.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
We're on. Okay, we're on one. The indicator's like a floor behind.
What is that?
It doesn't light up, but I heard it chime multiple times.
These things are a little glitchy.
It's really bouncy. What the
Not the best.
lovely traction.
I don't want to be down here. And 5 minutes.
Whoa, banjo much?
What do you mean?
This has a bouncy. Go to 3.
Why?
I want to get a third one. I want to see if one's fun than the others.
Oh, boy. Oh, that's really zoomed in. Sorry.
Okay, let's see what pull deal is with here. Oh. It's the same. What the? Chimes are mental.
It's got the ever ringing chimes.
What the G2? These are fun.
Interesting.
Let's see if this one has a fun stop. It's like bouncy. This one's not as bad. Okay, this will be the last one. This one's falling apart. These are fun. I like these.
They're interesting. Not my favorite, but
Just glad I got to finally see traction impulse. I'm almost certain I've never seen this.
wow, I'm surprised.
Whoa, that was weird.
These things are a little bit wet.
I don't know what that was. My indicator's burnt, so I don't really know. This is 400 Garden City Plaza. There it goes, and that's it.